The ultimate battle is about to begin. Crocodile versus Anaconda. Who will survive this deadly encounter? Let's find out. This story takes place in the dense jungles of Africa. The crocodile is the king of its territory, but the anaconda is a deadly invader. An anaconda can grow as long as a bus, and its muscle power is unmatched. Female anacondas are even more dangerous, growing over 4 meters in length and incredibly aggressive. The crocodile, on the other hand, is a skilled predator, armed with sharp teeth and a body like armor. Both are nature's ultimate killers. The anaconda slowly moves closer to the crocodile, preparing to attack from behind. But the crocodile senses the danger and strikes back. A deadly fight begins. Both are in a life-and-death struggle. The crocodile grips the anaconda's neck tightly while the snake wraps itself around the crocodile. Neither is ready to back down. The crocodile's sharp teeth and the anaconda's powerful muscles clash in a brutal fight. This is not just physical, but also a battle of instincts. The anaconda's digestive system is so strong it can dissolve bones and teeth. The crocodile's chances of survival look slim. The anaconda begins to swallow its prey. Its stretchy skin and flexible jaw make this process easy. But after such a big meal, the anaconda becomes vulnerable. The crocodiles watch from a distance, unable to help. In this battle, only one can emerge as the winner. The anaconda's ability to consume prey twice its weight gives it an advantage, storing energy for survival. This battle shows the incredible power and survival instincts of nature's deadliest predators. What do you